What is up, YouTube family? It's Savannah and Jay. She's at work right now, so we'll see her later. But we're gonna be doing the days of my life stuck at home once again because I have nowhere to go. Alright, I'll see you guys in a bit. I'm gonna do some cleaning. Alright, what's up, y'all? I'm back. Jay's on the camera. Say what's up to the vlog.
I was like, I'm a fail because
She didn't even hear me.
I did a headshot.
I'm gonna wash the dishes for my mama and be nice. That's pretty much it. And so we're gonna get a lot of views of me washing dishes. This part may or may not be sped up.
One eternity later.
Alright, we're back. After like 30 minutes later. I warmed up this omelet that my mom made me. I'm watching Yak Sheldon.
I love the first three. Fourth one's a charm, right?
Yes, Shelly.
I just thought you should know. I'm not going to be Jewish. I'm going to remain the atheist Baptist you've come to love.
Cut that here.
Are you crying?
Alright, what is up, people? I am back right now. We're on live.
Volume stylist mascara. This isn't the one I was going for. I was going for the Lash Princess one, but they didn't have it, so I'm just going to pop this in there.
Right now we're watching Jade Amber as usual. Right now I'm just waiting for Jay to get home.
I've never used a tan remover, and I'm just hoping that this
What's
makes
up?
my life and self-tanning routine that much easier, because when I tell y'all, removing self-tanner is probably one of the hardest things I've ever done in my life. I'm being dramatic. But yeah, so I got the Loving tan removing and skin polishing glove.
I'll be
this
right
is
back.
obviously not from my makeup bag, but yeah.
You'll see me when Jay gets home.
Tan remover to go up.
Are you sure, Scarlett?
Jay's back. Say what's up.
Oh my god.
Who is this?
Oh. Hi.
She gonna ask who's this. We already know who it is.
There's something hurting my gums.
So what's up, Scarlett?
I felt like something was like lodged in there. Jeez. I have to say.
We are now up to 23 subscribers. I know that's not a lot, but that's a lot for me.
You tried it and you're just like, okay, this was. Look at my purse.
Alright, I'm back. We're going to my dad's friend's house so they can check on her tires. Or whatever she needs to do. Alright, y'all can come with me to do that because I gotta ask him about working with him.
Like, here go push.
He can shut the fuck up.
I brought my beer here so I can drink it.
You irk me. Like, completely irk me. That's why I'm wearing your Crocs.
Pretty goddamn
That's
good.
what I said. It was damn good.
Well, you can put all of them.
So, I can't go work with him. Just found that out. Our landlord pulled his contract. So, that's a bummer. I've applied for 2 more jobs. Texas Roadhouse wasn't interested. And then I applied for kindergarten, which is a daycare. Yeah, that's about it. Because I'm tired of the restaurant jobs. They be doing people dirty.
Courtney's outside.
What?
It was hot in here, y'all. That's what hitting that woman did. It pushed all this back.
Yep. Y'all hear these birds chirping? They need to shut the fuck up. Ruining my shit.
Want a drink?
Ew, no.
Ew.
Ow. I gotta give me a safe. What's up, y'all? We're back in action. Right now it's just kind of boring. Sitting in the car. Jay thinks she's asleep. That's not Lulu. What was that? I don't know. But she looked like she was running for her life. Where'd she come from?
What she say? What's her TikTok?
She didn't say nothing. I told her.
I mistreat you.
Because you yelling. Because I wasn't even done. She just wants me to call her so she can either talk to Piper or so she can talk to me. What is that on my lip?
Let me squeeze it.
No, I already squeezed it.
I can't stop this job. My phone finna fall, y'all. There you go.
Who's on active code with that number?
Me my Bluetooth.
See, that's
You were looking hard as.
That's a nice gray.
I like the new gray. It's like a cream gray. I don't know what they call it. It's like a midnight. You know what I'm talking about? It's like, I don't know how to explain it. Dang it.
You wanna go to Planet Fitness today?
Today?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That'll be in the video. Stay tuned.
It won't.
But it will.
It won't.
Mine will.
Alright.
You act like you don't want to do nothing.
I was planning on staying home today.
Okay, what's up? Right now we're DoorDashing, but we stopped to get some food. Right now we have a DoorDash for Dunkin'.
And I got
Okay, so right now we are picking up our first order. It's from Dunkin'. And then our second order is Papa John's, right? Alright, so we got the DoorDash order, one of them. The first one is a large iced coffee, half decaf, less ice, 2 vanilla shots, and coconut milk. Now we're at Papa John's picking up the rest of her order. Excuse me. I'll be back in a sec. Okay, so we got the pizza.
it's like this big.
It is?
Yeah, it was 4 of those.
But the nice lady in there gave her a DoorDash pizza bag.
I asked for it because she just
asked
handed
for
it to me.
And she's nice enough to let us keep it.
But they had a bunch on.
up? Right now we're headed to KFC because we got another DoorDash. We had already delivered the other stuff. Yeah, we're on our way to KFC. Okay, y'all. So we're done DoorDashing for the day. We have enough to get some gas money. We are on our way home right now. We're almost there. Jay's got to finish up the dishes. Okay, we're at home. This is my window. I'm not right now. Jay is checking everything in her car. I'm embarrassed about it. I know y'all hear that damn barking. These stupid dogs. And we're gonna walk into a huge, gigantic mess. We always do. Alright, clean. Okay. Cause she at the door, ain't she? Biffy. Daphne. Bull malarkey. Don't touch me. Diffie. What did you do? What did... The stuff we walk into, I swear, I feel embarrassed eating all these things. Like, If your mama fans, hello. Say hi to the YouTube. She's so cute. Hey, Kathy. Say hi.
It's literally right over here, but
If you want to see more like this, comment down below. And always like, comment, subscribe, and turn our post notifications on if you want to be notified every time we post. Peace.